Work. Oh. What's up, dudes? Just trying out a new camera. I am feeling better, but the shitty part is now the holidays are over and I gotta go back to work. So also, well, still waiting on parts for that. We'll get some progress soon, I hope. Anyway, I feel the 8.6 is not getting enough love. So far, it's been a super fun winter car. I like it. It's been good to me. But I figure maybe I'll start taking you guys on rides with me because I can't just vlog all the time. So you guys are gonna come to work with me. I don't know if you can see it right, but the other GoPro's right there. And this mount here. I'm just gonna stick this camera in that mount and I'll see you guys in the morning. The GoPro will see you in the morning.
Good morning. It's like 4 or something. I told you guys I was gonna bring it to work with me this week. Let's go.
CBC News, Vancouver. The first big economic indicator of the year comes out today. Statistics Canada will release the latest job numbers in a few hours. This report is a snapshot of what happened in December and the final quarter of 2008.
Okay. So we'll set up this camera on the dash. We'll try to get the ride to work. I won't bring you guys to my actual work because you could get fired for shit like that, I think. And I don't want to take a chance because you can't always trust people. So anyway, let's set this shit up. Okay, I'm gonna turn this camera off, let the rest roll. Really, I'm only bringing this camera because I might stop at Kiwi later. So this half of the road hasn't been plowed yet. That's a good thing. Traction control off. Let's go have some fun. Woo! Oh, that was close. I wasn't gonna go this way because I get stuck in like shitty traffic in town, but it's kind of slippy out, so why not enjoy this road? Dude's Christmas lights are up. I thought there was something big and scary on the road.
We'll see you soon.
4 a.m. doing my rounds. I'm a sonic boom at the speed of sound. Ready for clowns trying to take me down. Come on, stop us now. It's my morning jog, it's my turf. And when I swerve, I smooth out them curves. Put your money in, we gonna empty your till. Got no chance, man, God's hands on the wheel. God's hands on the wheel. Rule the street from the hills to the town. What lies in front of me, ready to get down. I'm gonna stop it now. It's the way I roll, it's the way I walk. Open your mouth to talk, you might get rocked. Natural like this, and I play by feel. You got no chance, man, God's hands on the wheel.
Hoping for more snowy roads to have a little bit more fun, but that's not going to work out. And this light is so long. I know it sounds like I'm complaining a lot in the morning, but when the camera's not on, I'm sitting here telling myself everything's going to be okay. Because you got to try to keep a positive attitude. If not, you go insane. Not that being insane is a bad thing in this day and age, in this world. Yeah, fuck it, go insane.
Initially, you can't see me, I lay low. Bad boy with the halo. You never met another soul with my feel. And ultimately, God's hands on the wheel.
Alright, well, time to go have me some breakfast. I'll see you guys soon, yeah? That was good. Oh. No. So get the hell out of here. Alright guys, that's my ride to work. Hope you enjoyed it, hope you had fun. I don't know how much battery power is left in this thing, but probably not much. So I'll get at you when I'm on my way home. 6:43, by the way. Alright, so I didn't turn the cameras on when I left, but it is now past 7 o'clock at night, and that means I did a big ass shift. I did like a 12-hour shift today, 13-hour shift. Totally sucks. Now I'm stuck in traffic all the way home. I'm gonna stop at Tim Hortons, grab me a coffee, and I realized that this is probably a pretty boring vlog. So right here, right now on this part, I'll put up some other cool stuff from previous days driving to work every day, because I tend to film it when it's bad weather because of the drift aspect of things. Light around, have fun. What the fuck? Okay, the other camera died, so just me and you, GoPro. What are these guys doing? The light screen, go!
enjoy some other footage while I deal with this fucking people can't drive. Here we go. Because I'm probably going to stop at Tim Hortons, get a coffee for the way home, so I don't fall asleep on the way home, stuff like that. So if anything cool happens, I'll turn the camera on, let you know. We'll go from there. Peace out.